Now, is it plugged in right? That's the right plug, right? Again, no light blinking. Okay, I got nothing. I take this out. There's no red light. There's nothing here. Alright, how do I know when it's charging? Plug it in. Alright. Again, 12.3 volts. It's been charging sitting here for 7 hours. And this voltage is not getting any better. Now, just so we're clear, I'll turn the light on, a little better lighting. I have one light on. Okay, it's down to one light. Again, no light blinking. Plug it in. All right. Oh, now it's 11. You know, your meters are screwed up too. It was 12.3 volts before, so now it's 11. There we go, 12.3. Connections are correct, right? Tell me what I'm doing wrong here. Alright? Okay, here's my kit. I love the helicopter, but your instructions are not matching what's going on with the charger. I ordered a new charger from you and I paid for it. Okay, what I want to know is, what do you guys use at the factory? Because I got one battery here I haven't used yet. This came from the factory. Alright? And this thing, great charge. Alright? Great charge. Alright? But that's it. I'm down to one battery. I bought an extra battery, thank God. And I was able to get a couple flights out of it. But yeah, your base ain't working. Now I did a continuity check from the base to the charger. There's continuity, so I don't know what's going on. Again, 7 hours it's been sitting here and nothing. The lights are still the same. Voltage is still the same. You tell me what's going on. You know, and again, give me some tips. What do you guys use at the factory? I'll buy that one.